Bioremediation, a term which we commonly use, basically means detoxification of waste using biological system. So it could be plants, it could be microbes. Now to tell a little more about the process of purification that is taking place in the Bheri. The raw sewage which comes in has to pass through a sieving procedure where the suspended material, the coarse suspended material is released. The water moves into a flat basin which is there, which is created in such a way that the water depth should not be more than 50 to 150 centimeter. A flat bottom which has been treated with alkali lime ensures that there is an alkaline pH, which is a must for decreasing the coliform count. Now the water, which is rich in organic content, is released there. There is a manual aeration which takes place, and because of that, the dissolved oxygen concentration is kept pretty high. Now with the sunlight penetrating till the bottom, as it's a flat surface, through and through aeration and sunlight ensures that the plankton grows there. Well, if the plankton is allowed to grow for indefinite time, it results in plankton bloom, and that's a problem, eutrophication. But that doesn't happen. So before it reaches a plankton bloom, the fishlets are released there and they consume or feed upon the plankton. So it's the initial plankton, then phytoplanktons, and the zooplanktons which consume them. Again the phytoplankton is growing. Now the fishlets are released which feed on the phytoplankton as well as zooplankton. Thus the entire organic matter in the raw sewage which came here is consumed by these planktons, and that in turn becomes a fish feed. So you do not need to actually add additional feed, whereas the water which is there is purified. When you check the quality in terms of coliform count, when you compare the raw sewage water to the water in Bheri post growth, there is a 96 to 99% decrease in the coliform count. There is immense decrease in the metal content. Now the water which is left after the fish growth is good enough to be used for irrigation.